go into each of the huts to see if any of them are still up. I only had 2, but we got this really cool snowstorm thing. Like, everything's frozen. There's ice on everything. It's insane. So, the hut down here is not still up. But this was a square hut, so I'm assuming it just got too heavy. And I'm sure the structure fell. But it's gone. You can see the bark flooring stuff that I did. There's some of the roof frozen to the inside. It's just totaled. But if we go a little bit further down, should be, well, like, look at this. That's so much ice. Oh. Stark! Thinks we're going home. Oh, he doesn't listen very good no more. Like, that's insane. There's ice everywhere. Really cool looking. But it all happened, like, throughout the day yesterday. And it's not snow, it's just ice. I mean, there's a little bit of snow. Okay, now we're gonna have to do the tricky part once we get over to it. Which is why I brought my knife. Because I'm gonna use it to try and climb down. Because it seems like a smart thing to do. All the water down here should be frozen. Oh, it's not. Ugh. Let's see here. Ooh. Gotta be some way for me to get the dog across. Okay, you know what? This is not the first time he's been in the cold. We'll go across and I'll only stay down here for a little bit and then head straight back and get him in the shower. Warm him up. Yeah, this is all ice. Wipe that off, put that back in the sheath. Or getting back up might be a little bit difficult. This is all frozen. I really want to check out this other hut. Try not to fall in the freezing cold water. was that? Okay, whatever. Dog's already ran through the water like 5 times. Probably not the smartest thing. There it goes again. Okay. We're across. Now let's get up. This thing out again. Okay. Everything's frozen over here too. Well, I mean, like, all down frozen, like everything's falling down. Huge opening. But this is an A-frame hut, so I feel like it's more likely to be standing. So I wouldn't be surprised if it isn't. Because this is a lot of weight. Oh wait, nope. Still standing. Whew. This is why I like the A-frame a lot better. Start! Don't go running off. Yeah, see? All still up. That's good. Okay. Well, before my idiotic dog gets an idea to run off, we're gonna head back. Back to the house. I'm really surprised this A-frame's still up like that, though. Do a quick run around real quick. But I'm gonna end this video and then I'll do a run around. You might do the run around, maybe not.